So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to manage clients in Duda website. So there's a few things you need to keep in mind when you try to manage clients or when you are managing clients. First of all, once you're in your website builder, you can do some things through the SEO and settings page, so on here. But the main way that you want to manage clients, and you can do stuff like privacy settings, so set up some protection maybe between you and clients, but you should go to your original dashboard. So you can go back to your duda.com. So you can see here sites, clients and team, custom assets, white label, business tools, resources, and help. Now on here, you can see clients and team. You can see client management, client billing, team permissions. So go to client management. So once you click on this, you will see the client management list. You will see the option to create a client or to add a client. So just fill out some information about the client that you're adding or managing, like details, site permissions, and the status they have. So you can see prospect, site assigned, invited, active, and suspended. These are some of the statuses that your clients can have. So through here, you can also click to export to CSV, and you can create clients through there. So managing them and creating clients will be done through the same system of client management right here. So really, it gives you a comprehensive way to set up and actually manage your clients through the Duda website or dashboard as well. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda website or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.